Hey guys, this is Brayton. Today, I got a furby. Okay, if you don't know what Furbies are, they are basically like one of the best toys of 1998. Yeah, they were really popular around that time. You probably know what Furbies are. I got this one at the Great Oregon Steam Up. What? Stuck and just farted. Okay. Yeah. This is Dutch. Dutch again. You gotta press. Oh, what's a hug? Yeah. Yeah, that's my favorite. This was a toy I made back in 1998. It's like a tiny little. It was a toy around that time. Don't laugh at me. Okay, so what it was like a toy. So what it was a toy around that time where like it's kind of like an animatronic with fur on it. What? It sings too. Okay, stop interrupting me. Please stop interrupting me. Okay, stop farting. So, okay, so finally stopped. Stop interrupting me. Okay, so what it was like it was a toy made around that time. It's like an animatronic. It was just basically just like one of those popular toys around that time. There's nothing really to say about them. It has its own language called Furbish. Like gibberish, but Furbish, because they're called Furbies. And where I got it was you guys talks randomly, but his name is Dutch. Okay, I guess that's all to say because he keeps interrupting me. So, he's not interrupting me. Just going on. So, he is a tiger slash zebra. He is a rare version of them. I got the Great Oregon Steam Up, which is an event where they do like tractor pulls and stuff. And the swap meets, which are basically like shops. And I found this old grandma, and she was selling these. She had the new ones and the old ones. Most people think it's creepy. So that's it, I guess, because I can't say anything because you can interrupt me. Okay, bye.